Today I saw a beautiful little orange leaf in our backyard and I was so inspired by it, and I thought, why not make a batch of different kind of fall leaves? And last fall I made those gratitude leaves, and I thought, why not make a new batch that I am going to use to my fall journal again? So here are the leaves that I drew digitally, and now let's color them and decorate. Now I have printed out the little leaves, and of course you can do this also by hand. Just draw some randomly different shaped leaves. And now I will turn the paper around, and if you have watched my previous videos you might have seen this technique that I'm using. I will paint some different kind of fall colors to the paper with some watercolors. Now the watercolor background painting is ready, and next comes the decorations. So I will be using some different kind of markers to decorate all the little areas, different colored areas that are here on the paper, and I love this part. Of course the painting is always fun, but there is just something about the decorating. I really love it, and it is really relaxing. Yes, but now let's decorate. And now the decorations are ready. And in the next part we are going to flip this around, and there are the leaves. And now I will do the cutting. And now let's turn these around and see how they look. Lovely. I think this one is my favorite. I love the shape of this leaf. It's really pretty. And now I will do some inking. Let's ink the edges. Like so. I think the inking gave these a nice crisp edge, and it added the fall vibe to these little leaves. And I am so excited that I get to use these in my fall art journal when I switch to this. And the idea is that I will write with few words things that I am grateful for at that moment. And then I will pop these onto the journal pages, and they bring in that lovely positive gratitude energy, and at the same time they decorate the pages nicely. So these are lovely addition to the fall journal. This For Gratitude Leaves pack is now for sale on my Etsy shop if you want to use these gratitude leaves to your own journal. There is a Blanco PDF of the leaves, and then there is the watercolor print without the decorations. And then there is the print with decorations and these leaves also as a PDF. But yes, I am so excited and I can't wait to get into those fall art journalings. I think they are so lovely, and I love the dark nights and candles and lanterns and hot drinks and, you know, the cozy stuff. Yes. But until next time, and happy art journalings and fall leaf craftings. Kiitos katsomisesta ja oikein mukavaa viikkoa kaikille.